Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you some of the fixes in order to fix your Hisense refrigerator ice maker if it is not working. So in order to fix it, you need to ensure that efficient ice production, checking the water supply, freezer temperature, remove any ice breaking and reset the ice maker according to your Hisense manual. First, you need to make sure that the ice maker switch is turned off. Then ensure the ice bin is correctly positioned and not overflowing. So if these are fine, a faulty ice maker assembly might be the culprit and need replacement. So this could be due to the low water pressure. So check if the water pressure is adequate. Another possible cause is a clogged water filter which restricts water flow, leading to a smaller ice cubes. If necessary, you need to replace the filter. So whichever problem you are facing, you can get the fixes of it over here. But if it is not working, you need to just simply use these steps in order to fix this problem. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.